Good morning, everyone. I'd like to welcome all of you in the room and on the webcast to Investor Day 2019. So we are very excited about today. It should be a fun day. Let me just kick off the three objectives that we have for today. The first one is we want to share with you the very large and durable customer problems that the company is pursuing. The second is proof points that our strategy is working. And the third is we'll give you a glimpse into our secret sauce, which starts and ends with our people that are accelerating incredible innovation across the company. So with that, let me get started. So you all have heard Brad talk about this slide. We are a 35-year-old company that falls in love with what's most important for our customers and never the solutions that we create, which is why we've reimagined the company in the last 35 years, and we've never been afraid to disrupt our own profit pools to deliver for our customers. And that is the essence of why we've been able to lead through 4 significant platform shifts. And because of that, we've had a great track record of delivering great results for all of our stakeholders. This is a company with incredible reputation and an incredible culture where employees want to be a part of solving the most important problems for our customers, and we've been recognized externally for that. And because of the incredible work of our employees, we've accelerated customer growth, and if you've been a shareholder, you've been a very happy camper. Now, Scott started this company 35 years ago. Brad did an incredible job leading us for 11 years, and we have the distinct pleasure of building on this incredible foundation as we look at the next chapter. And I am blessed to be able to serve with this team. And as Kim mentioned, they're here, and you'll have an opportunity to speak with them during the breaks and during the platform immersion. But this is a team that I've served with in all parts of the company and or handpicked from outside of the company. And they have incredible traits, but one of them is that they are all customer obsessed. And together, we have defined what's most important that we've got 10,000 plus employees and our partners focused on solving. And that is, every customer has a common set of needs. They're all looking to make ends meet. They're all looking for the largest paycheck of the year, which in some of the countries, starting with right here in the United States, is the tax refund. They're trying to find ways to save money and get out of debt. For those that have been bold enough to decide to be an entrepreneur and to go into business for themselves, there's an additional set of needs that they have. And those needs are to be able to find customers, to get paid for their hard work, to get access to capital to be able to grow their business, to be able to pay their employees, and lastly, but most importantly from a compliance perspective, to be able to ensure that their books are right, which by the way, gets more and more stringent when you go outside of the United States. These are very large, durable problems that we've focused the entire company on. This, along with 5 trends that I want to hit on, are enormous catalysts for growth. The first one is the fact that AI is reinventing new experiences. Now, AI is actually not new. It's been around for more than 30 years. It's just become something that many talk about this day and age. But it's always needed access to large data sets and compute power. And now both are available in this day and age. And it's very relevant to the problems that we try to solve for our customers. When you think about how we ensure that we deliver the largest deductions for our customers when they're doing their taxes, what questions are relevant for them to answer, how to actually get paid, how to get them access to capital because we believe that they can pay it back, how to automate all of payroll, how to ultimately help them grow their business. AI, in essence, can automate everything that gets done today, and it can also take the predictions that we have to make today for customers and automate all of it. So this is a catalyst for growth. The second one is access to digital expertise. First of all, bless you, those that have been born after the smartphone, they expect digital help. Whether it's chat, whether it's video, they expect it instantly. But now, folks even my age, across every industry, are expecting digital help. This is very relevant to our industry, because if you think about the biggest problem that we're trying to solve for our customers, it's confidence. People want to get help with running their business. People want help to get their taxes done. And we believe this is an enormous catalyst for growth, marrying technology and digital expertise with technology. The third is about the fact that Every consumer is trying to make ends meet. They are looking for free consumer financial apps to help them run their life. Whether it's investing, whether it's improving their credit score, whether it's having access to financial products that are right for them, credit cards, personal loans, home loans, they are looking for ways to be able to run their financial life, which is why fintech is exploding. We view this as a catalyst for growth because we have 50 million customers, trusted brand, and they look to us to help them run their financial life beyond taxes and accounting. There's a significant rise in omni-channel commerce. E-commerce is growing 3 times faster than brick and mortar. 40% of small businesses are product-based businesses, and they are looking for help to be able to sell their products online, to know what customers are profitable, and to be able to understand how their business is performing. We view this as a catalyst for growth because we've primarily been serving service-based businesses. And then last but not least, small businesses have always lagged embracing the cloud, and they've lagged consumers. And we are now seeing a significant shift for those that are in the mid-market. We define that by small businesses that are 10 to 100 employees wanting to shift to the cloud because they see that as a catalyst to be able to run their business, grow their business, and manage their profitability. So with the context of these large, durable customer problems that we're solving and these key trends that we believe are catalysts for growth, let me walk you through our game plan. And it starts with our mission, and it ends with our metrics and how we measure performance across the company. As you've heard us talk in every interaction, our mission is to power prosperity around the world. When you walk through middle of America, middle of UK, France, Canada, Australia, and every country that we're in that we serve, people are trying to figure out how to make ends meet. And prosperity is defined differently by every individual. Some are simply trying to just put food on the table. Some are trying to help their ailing parents. Some are trying to help the community. Our mission is to power their prosperity. And we are guided by the values that have been in place for years. There's 8 of them, 2 of which have not changed. One is doing right when nobody is looking, integrity without compromise. The other is leaving the planet a better place than we found it. Now, we've taken our aspirations and we've turned them into bold goals for 2025 because we believe we can aspire to even greater things. And the goals are around prosperity, reputation, and growth. We are now in a place where we've declared a goal as to how we want to measure our mission. Our goal around prosperity is we want to double household savings. In the United States, it's 7%. By 2025, if you are on our platform, we want you to be saving at a 14% rate. 50% of businesses have a success rate, which means 50% fail. Anyone that's on our small business platform, we want to increase that by 10 points. And if that number moves over the years, we always want to be 10 points better than those that are not on our platform to measure ultimately how we power prosperity around the world. We want to be best in class as one of the most reputable companies in the world because what we do, every interaction that we have, every choice that we make matters and it impacts our reputation, and we want to be known and best in class just like we are when it comes to employee engagement. And last but not least, we've set some very bold goals for 2025. I can't share the details of it with you, but what I would tell you is today we have 50 million customers. We aspire to have 200 million customers by 2025, and we also have a growth rate target that we've set internally. And this informs our 3 and 1 year plan True North goals. And as you know, because you've heard Brad talk about it for years, we are very intentional in terms of running the company focused on delivering for our employees to create an environment where they can do amazing work, because by doing that, they will deliver incredible experiences for customers, and doing that with our partners drives shareholder goals. As you can see, all the metrics are empty. Staying true to tradition, we share with you what we measure, but not the actual goals. But please know that we have very specific goals for each of these stakeholders, and it's what me and my team get held accountable for to deliver for the company. Now, with these bold goals, we have a crystal clear strategy that we are pursuing. And the essence of our strategy is focused on 3 core customer benefits. It's about putting more money in their pocket. It's about eliminating work and drudgery so they can focus on what matters to them. And it's about complete confidence. If you forward the clock 20 years from now, these three benefits will still matter. And the essence of our strategy that we've been talking about is about an AI-driven expert platform. Let me unpack that very quickly. The platform element is truly to be an open platform where we and others can build on the platform to help solve the customer problems that I mentioned. The second is about significantly accelerating the application of artificial intelligence. We've defined artificial intelligence as machine learning, knowledge engineering, and natural language processing. For us, machine learning is about taking rich data sets that are our customers' data sets and building decision engines and algorithms to automate all experiences for our customers. Knowledge engineering is about turning rules and the relationships between data into code. And natural language processing is about taking the interaction that all of you have in this room and others with products and services and revolutionizing those experiences. We have shifted a significant amount of our resources to revolutionize experiences because of AI, and very specifically those areas that I mentioned. And then last but not least is expertise. The largest customer problem that our customers face is confidence. No matter how easy you make the platform, they still want to know somebody's going to be there to help them, whether it's through chat, whether it's through video, whatever the means may be. And so we view that the marriage of technology and people on our platform will revolutionize experiences and will give us the opportunity to digitize the entire service industry. Hence, AI-driven expert platform. With that context, let me share with you the 5 bets that we actually shared with you in the February earnings, but let me make them more explicit. 5 bets that we've declared across the company. Now, these bets, in essence, are priorities. These bets go after the largest customer problems that matter most. And we believe that they are the largest drivers for growth for the company, so we can have a healthy company 10 years from now as we do today. Let me walk through each of the 5. The first one is about revolutionizing speed to benefit. When a customer comes to us, whether it's to help them do their taxes, or they simply want to invoice and get paid, or they want to pay their employees, whatever reason they come to us for, they are looking for that benefit instantly. If they are managing their business in Word or in Excel or in Google Sheets, we've got to deliver benefit instantly or they'll go back to the old way. We have 155 million customers that come to us, and 110 million of them are not our customers, hence the size of the opportunity. The focus here is 2 things: never enter data and accelerating the application of AI to revolutionize experiences, because we believe that there's a big conversion opportunity to turn all 155 million customers, folks that come to us, into customers. So revolutionizing speed to benefit for our customers. Now, no matter how great we make this platform, whether it's an app we've built on our platform or it's an app somebody else has built on our platform, by revolutionizing speed to benefit, we believe that it's also critical to connect people to experts on our platform, which is our second bet. The largest problem our customers face is confidence. It's why just in the United States, there are 86 million people that choose to have somebody else do their taxes. It's why small businesses go to pros, enrolled agents, or bookkeepers in the United States and in every country that we serve to help them run their business. And we believe the marriage of an incredible platform that focuses on speed to benefit and having people connect with experts on our platform can revolutionize experiences for our customers. Hence what we've been talking to you about with TurboTax Live and QuickBooks Live. Whether it's helping you get set up, whether it's giving you help along the way, whether you're trying to run your business or do your taxes or run your financial life, or if you want all of us to do it for you, we will connect people to experts. The third bet is about unlocking smart money decisions. As I mentioned earlier, customers are looking to make ends meet, every customer that we serve. They live paycheck to paycheck every week. They're trying to figure out how to put food on the table, and they're actually looking to figure out, how do I best save money? How do I ensure I'm actually getting the best personal loan, auto loan? What can I do to improve my credit rating? We have an opportunity to move beyond just tax and accounting to truly unlock smart money decisions, because we have 50 million customers, a trusted brand, and with the permission of our customers leveraging their data to deliver benefit beyond taxes and accounting, to be far more relevant than we are today. The fourth bet is about being the center of small business growth. 50% of small businesses go out of business in a 5-year period. And the largest reason they go out of business is cash flow issues. We want to be the place where in your pocket you have an assistant that helps you run your business. Whether it's, do you want us to help you get paid faster? Do you want access to the money based on the invoices that are coming in? We can give you access to your money earlier than even before it comes in. You're gonna run out of money by Friday. Would you like access to capital to be able to make your payroll? Can we just make your payroll payments for you? We believe that we have an opportunity, you're gonna see this in the platform immersion, to in essence be the center of small business growth so they can actually focus on their growth and not on running their business, which is not where their core competency is. But we also want to transform the omni-channel commerce world. 40% of small businesses are product-based businesses, and we have an opportunity to help them sell online, know which customers are profitable, and being able to connect that to their inventory so they can run their business in one place, being the center of small business growth. And then last but not least is about disrupting the small business mid-market. We have defined that as customers that have between 10 to 100 employees. These are customers that in some ways are very similar to very small businesses, but in some ways they're very different. They're like mini corporations. They send out a lot more invoices, they have more employees, there's a lot more payroll transactions, and what they are looking for is to be able to run their corporation, very mini corporation, compared to the small business that they were. So before it may have been just Mary and I running the business, and now there's a CEO, a CFO, a head of sales, a head of marketing, which means there's only certain people that can have access to invoicing. There's certain people that can have access to payroll information. So roles, permission, doing things in volume matters a ton. This is a problem we've solved on desktop, and we know how to play this game, and we're aggressively moving to solve it in the cloud in the mid-market. Those are our 5 bets that we've declared across the company. We've galvanized the entire company around these bets. We've mobilized our investments to focus on these bets, and this is our entire plan on a page with the bottom of the page, the key metrics that we review. Please know that each one of these metrics has a goal. We just removed the goals for your viewing, but we know exactly what our targets are and what we want to achieve for our customers. Now, we have a saying in the company that life is about 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. And so let me give you a quick lens as to what we do to ensure that we can execute against what we've delivered. And this is the essence of our secret sauce. It's been around for 30 plus years. We just focus on strengthening it every year. The first, and the reason why we fall in love with our customer problems and not the solutions, is because of the methodology that we teach. In fact, 3 years ago, Brad and Scott got out on the road and they trained every single employee on the method of customer-driven innovation and design for delight. This is about a methodology that helps us understand what problems matter most to our customers, can we solve them well, and then the second is how we go solve it, which is in essence design for delight. We've trained the whole company, and now Diego, that you saw the picture of earlier, you're gonna meet him when you go to the platform immersion. One of his measurements is to ensure that everybody in the company is trained and applying this methodology, because this is part of our secret sauce. The second is Intuit's operating system, which in essence, what we focus on and how we run the company. When I took over earlier this year, but when I was announced last August, I went out on the road and talked to a lot of our employees, and I wanted to know what are the things that they most want to preserve and what they love about the company. I also asked, what do you believe we need to improve? I got a long list of what they want us to keep doing and preserving. There are 4 things that we're focused on improving that came from the inside of the company, and that's what you see here. I'll just highlight a few of them. One of them is to take our game to the next level, to be much more customer obsessed. And the second is having data and code win arguments, not opinions. And so that has informed our Intuit operating system and how we run the company. I'm not going to go through the details of this, but to simply give you some exposure, that we have a system in which we run the company. It starts in December when we actually declare our 6-year plan. It's what I just walked you through, our 2025 goals, the bets for the company. We then agree on our 3 and 1 year plan, true north goals, and what we're going to execute in the year to come. And then we focus the rest of the year on premium on execution. I'll give you a lens into one thing that we focus on. It is called our operations and input goal review. Operations, and simply, is looking at our KPIs, availability, performance, quality. How are we delivering for customers? An input goal we define as things that we are going to deliver against our bets or core innovation. It could be deliver XYZ in payments, deliver XYZ in payroll, deliver XYZ improvement in TurboTax Live. We get the officers of the company together once a month. An officer owns each input goal across the company, and we review how we're doing against the operations of the company and how we're doing against each of the input goals. And you can see that we have 100+ input goals against each of the bets that I just walked through, and 180 input goals that are driving core innovation across the company. I simply share this back to the broader point that we have a methodology for execution excellence, because that is what has made the company great for the last 30+ years. And it is ultimately what's allowed us to lead through the 4 platform shifts, starting with Scott and what Brad has led for 11 years, and what we are excited about, which is leading in the era of artificial intelligence and transforming experiences for our customers. And it is this premium on execution, if you look at the right-hand side of the page, that will allow us to deliver for customers and build advantage. It's about getting more and more customers to use products on the platform, whether we built it or somebody else, to deliver the benefit that we've committed to them. It's about ultimately using artificial intelligence to automate, putting more money in their pocket, eliminating work and drudgery, and doing it with total confidence. And it's about the more people we get on the platform, customers, experts, partners, the more we create a network advantage. And it is this that will allow us to penetrate a very large TAM that we have. Almost a $250 billion TAM that consists of growing the core. It's financial management solutions and taxes in the United States, both do-it-yourself and assisted. It's about connecting our customers to the ecosystem of services, payroll, payments, going beyond taxes. And it's about expanding globally. Let me end with where I started. We are a mission-based company. We are a purpose-driven company. We are guided by our values, and we have a crystal clear strategy and a set of bets that we've galvanized the entire company around. And we view every day it's about execution, because that's when we make the difference for our customers. Now, what you're going to experience the rest of the day, and I'll bring Kim up in a moment, the bets that I just went through, you're going to experience what that feels like and looks like, so it becomes very real for you, both in the room and on the webcast. And then Alex and Greg will come up here and bring all of this to life in terms of how we deliver for customers in the segment. So it'll be great to catch up with you throughout the day. And with that, let me bring Kim back up.